What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another airport update. Today we have a Gemini Jets airport update of Norfolk International Airport. This airport consists of 2 terminals, and the airlines that fly here are Frontier, Allegiant, United, Delta, American, and Southwest, and FedEx, as you can see right in front of you. If you do like aviation content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you do not miss future uploads like this. On Tuesday, I will be hopefully having a special trip report coming to you guys that I flew a few weeks ago, and I just have to edit over the weekend and get it out to you guys as soon as possible. So yeah, we will dive straight into this airport update, starting off with this FedEx Boeing 757. Just pulled onto runway 2 and will be taking off for a flight out to Memphis. Starting off at the A gate, this is the concourse A, and then the other one is concourse B, of course. Here we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700. This would be the one closest to you. This aircraft is in the Colorado 1 livery and will be departing out to Baltimore. Next, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700. This aircraft is in the This one is in the new livery, and this will be pushing back for a nonstop flight out to Baltimore as well. Last, for the Southwest planes, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-800. This aircraft had just arrived in from Baltimore. It looks like on Flight Radar 24, all of their Southwest flights are to and from Baltimore, so that is quite interesting. Starting off on the other side of the concourse, we'll be starting off with American today. American owns or rents 4 gates out of Norfolk, which would be, and then I can get that for you, gate A2, which would be right here, gate A4, which would be right here, gate A8, which would be right here, and gate A9, which would be like right next to it. So yeah, here we have a Mitsubishi, oh, it's so weird, CRJ-200. This is by American Airlines and will be heading out to Charlotte. Next, starting off at the B concourse, this houses Frontier, Allegiant, United, and Delta. We have a Delta Mitsubishi CRJ-700. If you are not aware and you're probably wondering why I'm saying Mitsubishi, they bought CRJ, or Bombardier, I think is how you pronounce it, but they bought them, so now on Flight Radar 24, all their planes say Mitsubishi CRJ-200. So yeah, it's a bit disappointing, but I mean, it's not like we were going to stop them or anything. So yeah, so this Mitsubishi CRJ-700 will be heading out to, let me find the route, Atlanta. Next, we have a Delta Boeing 717. It looks to be that the only route they're currently operating to is Atlanta. So yeah, this Delta 717 will be heading out to Atlanta. And as you can see, it's getting the final bags on before it departs out to Atlanta. If I did not mention this already, this will be one of the last requested airport updates I do for a while, because it's a ton of work to set all this up and find the right planes and everything. But Honolulu is on the way, so that'll be replacing these little requested airport updates I have been doing. So yeah, it is sad, but I still have the list of requested airports you guys suggested, and this was one of them. But I will be getting to as many of those as I can before I bring in Honolulu, but this will be one of the last ones, just as a reminder. So anyway, here we have a United Mitsubishi CRJ-200. This aircraft will be heading out to Chicago ORD. Here at the little crooked gate, I guess you could say, we have a United Mitsubishi CRJ-700. This aircraft will be heading out to Washington IAD. As you can see, we have a little lineup of Allegiant, as they have quite a popular hub or like a base here. But here we have a Allegiant Airbus A320. As you can see, it's getting fuel on and final passengers. So as you see, there's a fuel truck right there. This will be heading out to Orlando. The next aircraft we have is a Allegiant Airbus A320. As you can see, this aircraft is in the new livery, which I think is extremely beautiful, and it is way better than their old one. The old one was not completely Euro white, but it was quite a bit Euro white, if we're being honest, because like really just the tail was blue, but the rest of it was white. But whatever, my thoughts on this plane are great, so if you have a chance to get it, make sure you guys get it. Also, the new NG models came out, so that's something to consider. They did release a few JetBlue or a JetBlue plane that most of you would like. So anyway, go check those out. But here we have a Allegiant Airbus A319. As I mentioned, this aircraft is in the new livery, which is extremely gorgeous. This will be heading out to Cleveland, and if we're looking on Flight Radar 24, it is actually live right now and will be landing at 5:22 p.m. Next, we have a Frontier Airbus A320neo. This aircraft is in the Colorado Bighorn Sheep livery and will be heading out to Las Vegas. Now, Frontier operates to Denver, Las Vegas, and Orlando from here, but the Denver route did get closed because of the whole virus, but it will resume June 26th of 2020, so that's in about 10 or 20 days, or yeah, it's like 14 days or something. So yeah, that's good that some of the airports are really picking back up, because it is pretty sad that some airlines had to collapse because of the virus, but I think airlines are starting to pick back up, and they're starting to get more passengers, and as well as airports are doing better, because as you can see, they're adding new routes. Even to Denver, we just got, we got Alaskan Airlines from Denver to PDX, so now we have 2 routes, so that's nice. I'll be able to feature a few more aircrafts in the Denver airport update. So yeah, that's it for this Frontier aircraft. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this airport update. If you did like it, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss future videos. But aside from all that, I really do appreciate the support recently. I am really close to 2K, so it'd really help me if you shouted me out or whatever. I'll return the favor if you @ me on Instagram. Also, I just hit 1.4K on Insta, so thank you guys for that. And yeah, hopefully we can hit 2K soon so I can do some sort of special thing. I'm not sure yet, it hasn't really crossed my mind, because I figured it would be a little while longer before I hit it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this airport update. As I mentioned, this will be one of the last requested airport updates I do for a while, because it's really just a lot of work to set up, especially since I'm pretty busy over the summer with karate and other things. Like even editing this video is probably going to take me at least an hour, and it's already 2:17 and a video premieres at 3:30, so I should probably hurry up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope to see you guys in the next video, and if you did like it, make sure to leave a like on the video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.